Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today we're going to show off the TRD rear arm assembly kit for the third generation Tundra. Let's get started. Okay, so what we have here is the rear arm assembly kit for the third gen Tundra. As you can see, we have the takeoffs located right here next to the actual assembly arm kit. We have the kit installed on this Tundra right here, so we can kind of show off exactly where each part is assembled. It does not require any extra parts or anything other than what we see here. The bushings and everything are the same ones that are in the takeoffs. Everything's installed. It's really just a matter of doing the installation itself. So we have a total of 5 parts in this kit. We have 2 uppers, and we have 2 lowers, and we have the lateral control, which is the piece that goes in the bed, kind of like a pan-hard rod bar. Basically, we have these 2 pieces right here, which just to kind of compare them against the takeoff, which is just a piece of dom steel, hollow dom steel. So it's the same, it would kind of be your cross comparison right here. In terms of weight, we actually did measure these, and I believe that these actually are a little heavier, which does make sense. Although it's aluminum, you may think it should be lighter, but keep in mind that's hollow steel. This is actually just a solid piece of aluminum that's, CNC machined out of billet. So they are a little bit heavier, but not much. I think it's about 10 total pounds of extra added weight for all of them combined. But in terms of the lowers are located right here by the tire. These are the pieces that are the most visible. They're easy to install, although they're the same part number on both sides. You can see where the TRD is going to face outward. There is no TRD etching on the inside of it. The upper pieces are a little bit harder to see, so we'll kind of just do some B-roll over that. But they are, although they're beautiful, they're completely hidden for the most part on that. The rear lateral control is going to be visible depending on where you're at. If you're down low, you'll be able to see it. Also, it could be blocked if you have a large oversized spare tire on it. So you may have a little bit added performance because this is a solid piece of billet aluminum versus having a hollow piece of dom steel. So in terms of rigidity, I would think that this potentially could add a little bit extra rigidity to the vehicle. Obviously, in terms of corrosive properties, the powder coat on the stock suspension is great. It's Toyota, but eventually over the years, it's going to be susceptible to rusting. And obviously, the aluminum won't. This particular finish, TRD prides themselves on because it is anodized, then powder coated, and then it is clear coated. So this finish on here, obviously, it won't rust because it's aluminum, but also this finish is going to hold up and look really good for the life of the vehicle. If you like this also, we have a matching set of the TRD red billet aluminum front upper control arms, which we'll link to in a separate video in the upper right-hand corner, and I'll also link to that in parts.edmartintoyota.com. Thanks for watching the video.